I'm starting. The count is more. Sirat tama na nalila. Abilila tawag mo, di ba? Di. So guys, sorry about that. I explained to my friend to not speak Filipino because I think some of you guys doesn't understand. Wait for me. Filipino. Let me turn on the grill. Okay. Open the window. See the room. Welcome to the night shift. I'm trying to read. Bro. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. If a smiling customer comes in, hand them a soda. If the wet moving bundle gives you must stay sealed. Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection. Exit through the back door immediately. Never look at the shawarma stand during the inspection. Should the meat on the sorry guys, begin to go slow. Turn off the grill and leave. Do not listen to the voices in the meat. They only want you to stay. If a faceless man comes to order, serve him but never look directly at his face. Some customers will not be served at all. Close the window immediately. Close the window immediately. If in case unusual or unknown anomaly to act according to in the circumstances assess the threat and take the most reasonable measure. Alright, I know now. Alright, bro. Hindi na ako yan na. No, si Bigit na yan. Saan? Hindi ko yan. Maliit na lang to. Leave. Guys, we're gonna leave. That bacon is trolling, man. That bacon is trolling. 1 second. I'll be right back. I gotta change my character. I gotta change my character. I gotta change my character. Shh. My character. Shh. Shut the fuck up. What the fuck is shut? What the fuck? I may be right. I'm sorry, I can have that. Share mo yun? Hello! Hello, kamusta? Hindi, harap to si ano, madam. Don't like that. But guys, I don't know what game to choose. Hello, Please, the end. Hindi ko magsala-sala. Guys, I got a game to play. But, guys, I know what game. It's a horror. Alright. It's the Mimic. Nagunta ka ko rin Mimilok. Alright guys, we're playing the Mimic. Look. Here is the horror game. Guys, my mom is gonna borrow, so I gotta end the video.